أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم ودوا لو تكفرون كما كفروا فتكونون سواء فلا تتخذوا منهم أولياء حتى يهاجروا في سبيل الله فإن تولوا فخذوهم واقتلوهم حيث وجدتموهم ولا تتخذوا منهم وليا ولا نصيرا. Dear friends, Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. I recited Surah An-Nisa Ayat number 89. In this ayat, Allah tells us about the hypocrites. What type of behavior should we have with them? This is very important, that the hypocrites are hidden in kufr. So we must be careful. So when some of the activities of the hypocrites, those will open, then we must be careful with our behavior with them. We should not make friendship with them. We should not make them our helper. We should not support them. We must be away from them. This is the command of Allah, and we have to follow that. Very important. After understanding this ayat, we will understand more better, inshallah. So in this ayat, Allah tells us, Waddu law takfuruna kama kafaru. Waddu, they wish, law takfuruna, you should be disbeliever. They wish that you should be disbeliever. Kama kafaru, as they became disbeliever. Fatakununa sawa'an, so that you should be equal to them in kufr. Fala tattakhizu minhum, Allah said, Fala tattakhizu, and don't make minhum, with them, awliya, friendship, and don't make friendship with them, hatta, until, yuhajiru, they should migrate, fi sabilillah, just for Allah. Fa in tawallaw, if they turn away, fakhuzuhum, so you have to hold them, waqtuluhum, then you have to kill them, haysu, wherever, wajadtumuhum, you have to find them, wala tattakhizu, and don't make minhum, with them, waliyan, friendship, wala nasira, and help, don't make them your helper. So we read one time more. Allah said, Waddu law takfuruna kama kafaru fatakununa sawa'an fala tattakhizu minhum awliya'a hatta yuhajiru fi sabilillah fa in tawallaw fakhuzuhum waqtuluhum haythu wajadtumuhum wala tattakhizu minhum waliyyan wala nasira. They wish you should disbelieve as they disbelieved. so that you should be like them equally. So don't make friendship with them and don't make allies with them until they immigrate for the cause of Allah. But if they turn away, then seize them and kill them wherever you find them. And don't make ally with them and don't make friendship with them. So this is the command of Allah, and don't make them your helper. So this is the command of Allah. We have to follow it. This time also some munafiqeen are visible. We have to identify when they are. We can find them with different signs. We must be careful and don't make friendship with them and don't get help from them and don't support them. Very important. So at the time of Holy Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam, when Holy Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam he migrated from Mecca to Medina, at that time some Muslims who were wealthy Muslims, rich Muslims, so some of them, they were not in a position to migrate, and they were not to like migration, because for them their relatives, their tribe, their wealth, their business and their properties, those were more favorite than the migration, and they were showing there that we are Muslim, but in fact they were staying there without following the command of Holy Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam for migration. So migration that was compulsory, like Salah is compulsory now at that time. But those people, they stay there in Mecca. And when kuffar of Mecca, they were having in a position to help these Muslims who were rich and staying in Mecca, they were also helping the kuffar when they were trying to make any strategy just against for the Muslims. And in every cause, those Muslims who were by name in Mecca, they were helping financially or other way to the kuffar against the Muslims of Medina. This was the situation. But in Medina, the Muslims, they were in a two group. One group, they were believing that those people who are staying in Mecca, rich Muslim, they are Muslim, and we should appreciate them, and we should have a good relation with them, and we should not cut off relationship with them. So this was the belief of one group of Muslims in Medina. But the other group, they were saying that those people, they help the kuffar against us, and they, in their eyes, their relatives, their tribe, their wealth, their business, these things are favorite than migration. So this way we should not have a good relationship with them. We should cut off relationship with them also. And this was the belief of other group. Allah said also in this ayat that those people, they were actually hypocrite, but their hypocrisy, the kufr that was hidden in them, that became apparent now. that became visible because those people, they were completely helping the kuffar against the Muslims, and the things which were there, like their own properties, wealth, business, tribe, their status, their honor, their relatives, those were more favorite than migration. This way, those people, they are not Muslim, they are kufr in kufr, and these kuffar, they want that you should be disbeliever like them. Waddu law takfuruna kama kafaru fatakununa sawa'an. So they want that you should be equal in kufr like them. They are in kufr, you must be equal like them. This way Allah said, فَلَا تَتَّخِذُوا مِنْهُمْ أَوْلِيَا. You are not allowed to make friendship with them. حَتَّى يُهَاجِرُوا فِي سَبِيلِ اللَّهِ, until they can migrate and they come to Medina and stay with you and pray 5 times a day, and also they have to give zakat, they have to follow Holy Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam. If they stay, then if they came to Medina, then you make a friendship with them. But if they are not coming in Medina with migration, so you are not allowed to make friendship with them. So فَإِن تَوَلُّوا, if they turn away, if they are not to migrate, فَخُذُوهُمْ, then you have to seize them, وَقْتُلُوا, and kill them, حَيْثُ وَجَدْتُمُوهُمْ, wherever, whenever you find, so you have to kill them. وَلَا تَتَّخِذُوا مِنْهُمْ وَلِيٌّ وَلَا نَصِيرًا, and you are not allowed to make friendship with them and don't seek help from them. So this is very important message Allah has given to the people of Medina. And one other revelation that comes, that the people, when Holy Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam, he migrated from Makkah to Medina, and some of the people who came with the other Muslims in migration from Makkah to Medina, and they stayed in Medina, but after some time, those people, they said, we want to go back to Makkah. Some of them, so they were saying that we want to go back to Makkah. Two revelation, like they said, one revelation they said that we have the climatic conditions of Medina, those are not favorable for us, so we are going there. And the second revelation is this one, that these people, they said, we are going to have a trade and business, and then we're coming back then. And this way Allah said, if they are coming back with migration, so then you can make a relationship with them. Otherwise, these people, they went there, they stayed there with the kufr, so these are also in kufr. You are not allowed to make relationship with them. Don't make them friends, and don't get any help from them, and don't support them. Even if you find them, so you are allowed to kill them also. So these are so much dangerous enemies of you. So Allah said in this ayat. Even if you look in Islam, Islam is a beautiful religion. With some conditions, Islam becomes angry with the people of the book, Christian and Jews, just to make agreement. But Islam is not to make any agreement with munafiqeen. So munafiqeens, they are the worst people. Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam, he was to know about the munafiqeen of Medina, but he has not given the order or command to kill the munafiqeen of Medina. Why? Because Holy Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam, he was to know that if he will command to kill the munafiqeen, that then the some people with their personal enemies, they will identify some people as a munafiq and they will kill them also. This way, Holy Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam, he knows all the tactics and other loopholes which were hidden in it. So this way he became silent about this command. to kill the munafiqeen in Medina. You can see in our country, in other countries also, everywhere, some people who are munafiqeen. Munafiqeen are everywhere. And in Muslim countries, some of the people, they show off that they are the Muslim. But actually they are full of kufr and shirk. They just show off, they pretend that they are Muslim. This way they get the hidden secrets of the Muslims. As a spy, they pass on this information to the kuffar. And they get money in exchange of that to make this worldly life so much luxury. So we must identify those people and be careful from them also. And don't be a part of them and don't make friendship with them. You know, when one apple that is already, is you have seen so many apples which is like one apple which is being to lose its texture with the passage of time, and some part of it is rotten. And if you are just to place 2-3 healthy apple with that, after 3-4 days when you will look, those will be rotten also. So it means the friendship with hypocrites will make you hypocrite also. So be careful from the hypocrite. You try to stay away from them. Very important. And Holy Prophet ﷺ also said that some people, this hadith Abu Huraira revealed, that in my ummah at the end time, some people they will describe, they will state, they will say some type of hadith that has not been heard by you and by your forefathers. And you must be careful from them and be away from those people. This hadith is from Sahih Muslim and revealed by Abu Huraira. And other hadith that is also in Sahih Muslim revealed by Abu Huraira, that at the end time there will be Dajjal and the liars, and they will bring so many hadiths before you, and those hadiths you have not heard in your life, and your forefathers they have not heard in their life. So you must be away from them and be careful, otherwise these people they will make you to fall in astray and you will go into fitna. Be careful in this. And also one hadith that is in Abu Dawood revealed by Umar bin Khattab radiallahu ta'ala anhu, Holy Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam said that you are not to sit with those people who are to refuse qadar, fate. We also read amantu billahi wa malaikatihi wa kutubihi wa rusulihi wal yawmil akhiri wal qadri khairihi wa sharrihi min Allah ta'ala wal basi ba'da al maut. So we believe in qadar wal qadri khairihi. But to the people who are munkreen qadar, who are to refuse qadar, you are not to sit with them. And this way be careful. And this ayat we understand already that the people who were coming from, who are not to come from Medina as a migration, Allah said if these people they are coming hypocrites, if they are just to come follow the command of Holy Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam, they come to Medina as a migration, then you can make a relationship with them. But those people they never came. Migration is very important. When the Makkah was conquered, after the victory of Makkah, the migration finished, because before it was compulsory. Then it is a compulsory it is a compulsory claim that has gone away. So because the Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam said that the time when migration was when Holy Prophet ﷺ, he migrated from Makkah to Medina, and that time, according to revelation from Holy Prophet ﷺ, migration was compulsory. But after victory of Makkah, this migration that became no compulsory. So now is the migration is like, for example, now if you are the person, you are just to change the lifestyle, like lifestyle, if you are your life is going into sinful life, you want to change that one into a good and nice life according to Islam. So that is your migration from the sinful life towards the good life. So this is migration. In one hadith that is in Abu Dawud, and Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam said that migration will not finish until the tawbah will finish. So that migration will continue until the door of tawbah is open, and tawbah will finish when the sun will rise from the west. This hadith from Abu Dawud and Musnad Ahmad. So is this way. In one other hadith that is revealed by Abdullah bin Umar radiallahu ta'ala anhu, Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, as a muhajir is that person, the person who is doing migration is that person who can make himself away from all those commands in which Allah has forbidden. So all the forbidden things, this person is not to follow. So this person is away from that. So this is also migration. Sahih Bukhari, Nisai, this hadith is there also. Abdullah bin Habshi Khash'ami radiallahu ta'ala anhu, he revealed that Holy Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam said that a person who has done migration from those things for which Allah's command is that those things are haram, so this person has done also migration. So it means that if the Allah has said that these things are haram, so if the person is away from those haram things, so this person has done a migration also. So this hadith is in the Nisai and Abu Dawud also. So in one hadith that is in Musnad Ahmad, and Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam said migration is this one, that if you are just to leave your sexual lust, leave the lust of sinful act, and pray 5 times a day and pay zakat, that is good migration also. So this is the time we should make our lifestyle, change our lifestyle from filthy things towards the good things and good type of lifestyle, the lifestyle of Holy Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam. Preferably we have to follow it in order to get success in this world and the world hereafter. Allah gave us tawfiq. Ameen.